The 400K Ultimate Trading Rule. How I went from $3,500 to $400,000 based on this one simple rule. Hi, this is James Williams, and I want to reveal a weird little FX trading rule that I've been using for the last 3 years to generate over $400,000, starting with just $3,500. This is one of my most closely guarded trading secrets, so for good reason, as you're about to see, I'm not going to leave the video up for very long. Plus, you're going to discover the story behind the 400K Ultimate Trading Rule. But first, as promised, here's the private access link to download the 100% accuracy Christmas FX strategy EA software. Please keep the link safe. You'll also find step-by-step instructions accompanied with software to get you started and making money this coming Christmas. Okay, back to the story. Like I said, this is a story about the 400K Ultimate Trading Rule that's responsible for generating $400,000 in just 3 short years. Here's what happened. Back in the beginning, before I discovered how to do this, it was 2009 when the retail Forex industry was relatively new. It still is, by the way. I was your typical retail trader trading part-time while at work. Instead of working, I spent most of my days hiding behind my computer screen, hooked on the charts, watching and studying trends. I really don't know how I managed to get through a day at work because most nights I was up until the wee hours of the morning studying the charts. But here's where I went wrong. And maybe you've done the same thing too. I thought the way to become a trading god was to search out for the best trading system out there in the market. That led me into buying almost anything and everything the Forex industry pushed at me. You know what I'm talking about. I bought every new flavor of the week. Robots, ebooks, signal software, Elliott wave trading, Fibonacci trading. I must have spent thousands of dollars on ebooks, robots, and home study courses that promised the world but didn't work. I felt like I'd tried everything, and yet I was getting absolutely nowhere. Needless to say, I lost a whole lot of money. I won't lie to you, I was scared. My confidence was completely shattered. For a while, it seemed like everyone who was actually making money trading were either geniuses, already rich, or so well connected they'd have to try hard not to make money. If you're still with me this far, there's a good chance that you can somehow relate to my earlier struggles and frustration. I'd love to tell you there was a storybook ending to this situation, that some fairy godmother waved her hand and made everything okay. But that didn't happen. Not even close. I worked my butt off in order to learn how to stop losing money and start making it. I lost sleep, put on weight, and developed a stomach ulcer. And the more I learned, the more I realized there was one thing, one common denominator that all of the millionaire FX traders relied on, even if they didn't admit it publicly. The secret to success, I found out, didn't have to do with complex trading systems or indicators or expensive software. What makes a system profitable isn't the indicators or the tools. It's the money management mindset. Money management is the key, not just to these methods, but to any method. There is no perfect style of trading. Many people waste a lifetime arguing about the best system here or there. They toss out systems that could work perfectly well with good money management. And here is the first and most important golden rule to good money management. You've got to be obsessed with risk-reward. Think of it. You want to get something from the market for literally nothing. So for each and every trade you place, your goal is to take the minimal risk in return for huge gains. It's really that simple. Just try it. The moment you learn this, you'll do something most people can't do. You'll make money from trading. So I put together a simple and easy trading system following the above golden rule. And I started trying it out. And even though it didn't work at first, I knew there was a way to make real money from this simple system. So I kept trying things, and finally it all clicked. And the kicker is, after all those thousands I'd spent on failure after failure, I just stumbled on a way to make real money trading with just 20 to 30 minutes a day, starting with as little as $3,500. Quickly, I was able to make about $300 a week. So I tried out some new things and experimented a bit, and before I knew it, I was up to $1,000 a week. In that very first year, I made $50,000. That's almost twice my annual take-home pay. The next year, I left my job and traded full-time to make $110,000. And last year, that was my record year. I did $240,000. And it's really simple and easy once I started following the golden rule. And I know how I must sound to you right now. It sounds too good to be true. And if I hadn't lived through it, I'd seriously be skeptical. So here's what I want you to do today. Start developing the money management mindset. You'll see how important it is in helping you to start making profitable trades. Money management will become your secret to trading success. It's common sense, and most traders pay lip service to it, but very few practice it in real life. The reason is simple. Money management requires discipline, as it forces traders to constantly monitor their positions and to take necessary losses. But once you're able to practice it, you're going to make money. This is just the first of the 3 golden rules behind my money management system. Right now, I'd like you to scroll down to the bottom of the video and download the Pips Profit Model Money Management Rules PDF and go through the remaining 2 rules. You'll also find a lot size calculator download with the PDF. What do you use it for? Well, the PDF guide will give you clear step-by-step instructions, so make sure you read it. I'm 100% confident that you're going to make so much more money once you grasp this simple rule. Right now, if you have any questions, kindly use the Facebook commenting feature found right below this video to post your questions and feedback. My team and I will do our utmost best to get back to you. In the next video, you're in for a treat, as I'm going to take you on a behind-the-scenes look into my live trading account and show you real-life proof that I do actually trade and not just teach. Even better, you're going to see the profits I've generated in September and how I consistently generate profits every single month. You'll love this. So make sure you watch for the 3rd and last video, and in the meantime, please leave your comments, feedback, and questions right below.